Good afternoon, people. Welcome to another video, all the way from Pakistan, the land of beauty. I'm with my childhood friend who's helping me to go around in Pakistan, and we are planning to go to north. No plans, basically just go to north and decide where to go. There's no plans yet, and he's the one who has seen most of the north. Shit, I look good.
Allah maaf करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने लो.
I don't look so black.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh man.
Hello.
And we have a third guy with us. Sabir, Monas, and I wish I was also with an M, so it will be 3 M's, 3 musketeers. Unfortunately, it's 2 musketeers and 1 Adil. So we are on the way right now. You can see the trucks over here, dude. Like, yeah, man, this is dangerous as fuck. This guy didn't let me drive. He was like, I got the car, and he was like, yo, don't drive. He was like, don't drive. You're not gonna drive. And then he came all the way. Like, I think it took him like 3 to 4 hours to come to pick me up, so he could drive back. And I was like, really? He was like, and then when I saw this, I was like, yeah, really, it's really bad. I'm a good driver. You cannot be a good driver over here. You have to be like a pro driver. Like this. Look at that. इन्होंने इंजन चलानी गड्डी बस वाला है. This is Pakistan, babe. This is Pakistan. Pakistan is built different. It's not for newbies. The goat is the goat. The goat is like, I'm not gonna give you anyway. Get the fuck out of here. Peeps, we are in Islamabad, है ना?
Yeah, Islamabad.
Okay, people.
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
Okay, people, we are in Islamabad. We are in F11. If you think Islamabad is nice, it's not. It's just okay.
समझ रहे हो?
It is the capital of Pakistan, and a little bit plan changed because it's already getting darker, so it's gonna be a little bit dangerous to drive towards the area. So we are gonna eat from here, and we're gonna head to some close location which is like called Balakot in Pakistan. So we're gonna stay the night over there, and then we're gonna head from there to Sharan instead of like going to Sharan directly, which is gonna be like quite dangerous around this time. Not worth it. So heading to eat something. What are we eating?
We're eating
Dumba, sheep with the big ass. You can see the picture, big ass sheep. That's what we're eating. आ गया वो लड़का. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कैसे हो? ऐसे में कर लो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. कैसे हो भाई आप? ठीक है. क्या नाम है आपका? साकिब. ओके, मैं YouTube पे डाल दूँ, कोई टेंशन तो नहीं है? YouTube पे कोई आपको मैं डाल दूँ वीडियो, कोई टेंशन तो नहीं है? ओके, थैंक यू. मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. बस हो गया माशाल्लाह, तकरीबन 8-10 साल हो गए इधर काम करते हैं.
8-10 साल हो गया आपको? नाइस. ये दुम्बा है ना?
दुम्बा है भैया.
दुम्बा है.
अगर हम कभी कभार मंगवाते हैं.
This is basically sheep meat, not goat. This is one of the things about Pakistan. You can get fresh meat. Like the meat won't be a day or two old. It's just like right, freshly butchered right in the morning, and there you go. That was nice. हाँ जी उर्दू हाँ जी है और उर्दू आता है पंजाबी भी आता है अदील हाँ जी आपको मैं लिख के दे दूँगा चैनल का नाम थैंक यू सो नाइस ऑफ अ गाय उर्दू समझ आती है मैंने कहा हाँ उर्दू भी आती है पंजाबी भी आती है टमाटर वाला बगैर टमाटर बगैर टमाटर It's basically without tomatoes. It's gonna be like thick gravy without tomatoes and nice ass good shit. आ जाओ ये वाली है 4 किलो क्या हो रहा है 4 किलो इतना है कितने खाना है So this part over here is basically sheep fats. They basically take out the fat first from it and then they cook the meat in that fat, which is like, you know, no added oil, pure calories, pure whatever you want to call it.
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना नहीं it's okay.
Bad for your health but good in taste.
ठीक है जी ताबेदार क्यों नहीं आपके लिए भरा हुआ है देखो आपके लिए भरा हुआ है क्या समझे
बेहतरीन. These are the spices that they're gonna add into it. Green chili, coriander, some flour and salt. This is garlic water. Mixing it up all together. Chili bites. मिर्च होगी इसमें ज़्यादा? तेज मिर्च होगी? अच्छा तेज होगी. कैसी है? मिर्च है? I'm making sure from them is it spicy or not. बहुत तेज है. मिर्च है? मेहरबानी.
बाकी जब जो हो जाए ले आना कोई मसला.
बस वो जब कढ़ाई हो रही है वो मुझे बता देना मैं वो आ जाऊँगा उसके लिए.
ठीक है खाई जा सकती है
खाई जा सकती है.
नहीं खाई जा सकती.
ठीक है
तेज है.
दे दिया
पता नहीं मैंने जो खाई है मेरे तो जुबान पे लग गई. हफ्ते में एक चीज होती है. और डोमिनोज जा रहा हूँ ये इधर नैंडो की चिली बाई बहुत ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਰਚਾਂ ਖਾਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਕੀ
चिली है ये मछली
ये इधर इसको शुरमई कहते हैं.
पॉम्फ्रेट
वाह चॉकलेट की और करने का सपा हो.
It's basically ready to eat. That took what 20 minutes or something. Okay. This is for 4 people. I thought maybe this is for like multiple people. Voila. Okay. There's a lot of meat. That's gonna give me meat sweats. Okay, thank you. Wow. That's a lot of meat. I don't know how they're gonna eat. I really don't know. I'm questioning my existence right now. For me, it's like one piece is enough. If they're gonna eat like this, I don't know how much they're gonna eat.
हो गया
Huh?
यार जब मेरी शान जब कढ़ाई हो ना रेडी होने से पहले बताना ठीक ठीक और ये प्लेटें 2-3 और ठीक है
Oh my god. Sheesh. Like actually sheesh. मेरे तो 1-2 पीस बड़े हैं मेरे लिए।
मैंने उसे कहा 2 बनाने
यार बहुत बड़ा पीस है। चलो ठीक है कोई नहीं। You can see the smile on my face. I'm like, what the heck is going on?
भाई जस वो खा के है जो है मलंग जैसे भी क्या ठीक है तो बाकी फ्राई करके वो मच्छर डाल के वो ये इधर ले आया ये कुछ भी नहीं है हम 3 थे 5.5 किलो था खा गए बचा कुछ नहीं
ये कितने किलो था भाई? ये 3 किलो
2 किलो है ये 2.5 किलो था और 1 किलो वो था 3.5 4 किलो मैं आपको पर्सनल बात करने लगा भाई जो भी है ना सुनो
I've had
सर मैंने गोश्त का
the one from Peshawar. This is actually better than Peshawar. I'm not gonna lie.
शाम से बहुत
They're especially calling me when it's done. That's the service you get over here. Alrighty. No meat sweats yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be soon. Oh. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
बड़ा चम्मच दे देंगे
The service you can only get in Pakistan. These are pure pieces of fat. Like you can see the jiggliness in there. The one in the earlier they were cooking, taking out the oil. Now you eat these. The best way to eat it is with yogurt.
अरे भाई आप ये वाली ट्राई करें मेरा किया मैं तो जाके खेल ही जाना ना कुछ अपना सोचो की करना जहाँ मैंने तो इधर से जाना अभी भी खेलना तुझे कितना खेलना आपस में खेलना बताएं
Some more.
सही जगह
It's a meat eater's heaven.
कौन से वाली जी जी
The best part is that it's only cooked in black pepper, salt, and green chilies. Cooked so properly, so soft.
तो अगर आज में बने तो मैंने
The ending of these meals is always with these type of tea, which helps you to digest that heavy shit with some lime.
लेकिन वो बड़ा मजे का
Like, just squeeze the lime in and some jaggery, and you drink it out. That was it. My eye has a black pepper. Thank you, shukriya. Allah Hafiz. Oh, sorry. That was some heavy meat, and now we are heading to the next destination, which we don't know. So I'll see you guys in the next video because I have to like digest the shit. There was so much. Alright guys, take care and subscribe. Bye bye. Okay.
अगला थैंक यू टाइम देने का
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। शुक्रिया
सर जज़ाकल्लाह आपने टाइम दिया
आप आए हैं, आपने टाइम दिया, थैंक यू।